Px plus C is equal to 0. We are told that it has two real roots. Let the two roots be equal to P and Q. The difference between the reciprocals of the roots is 1 by 3. So the value of 1 by P minus 1 by Q is equal to 1 by 3. We are told that the sum of the reciprocals of the squares of the roots is 5 by 9. So 1 by P square plus 1 by Q square is equal to 5 by 9. Looking at these two equations, if you square the first equation, what are you going to get? We are going to get 1 by P square plus 1 by Q square minus 2 by PQ is equal to 1 by 9. So using these two equations, we can calculate that the value of 2 by PQ is equal to 4 by 9, or the value of P by Q is equal to 9 by 2. In this given quadratic equation, which is x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, the sum of the roots, that is P plus Q, will be equal to minus b, and the product of the roots P into Q is equal to c. We already got the value of the product of the roots, so the value of c is equal to 9 by 2. What are we required to calculate? We are required to calculate the largest possible value of P plus C. So what we are required to calculate is the largest value of PQ minus P plus Q. Because P plus Q is equal to minus P. So P plus C is minus of the sum of the roots plus product of the roots, that is PQ minus P plus Q. We know P plus Q, that is 9 by 2. So if we can get a bound on the value of P plus Q, the question can be answered. So if we are looking at this equation, we have 1 by P square plus 1 by Q square. So let us try to find out the value of P square plus Q square. To that we will add plus 2PQ. So we will get P plus Q whole square, and we will get a bound on P plus Q. From this equation, we are going to get that P square plus Q square divided by P square Q square is equal to 5 by 9, or P square plus Q square is equal to 5 by 9 into PQ whole square, which is into 9 by 2 into 9 by 2. You can cancel this 2. This is equal to 45 by 4. So P square plus Q square plus 2PQ, which will be P plus Q whole square, will be equal to 45 by 4 plus 2 times 9 by 2, or this is equal to 9. This is equal to 81 by 4. So the value of P plus Q, because this is P plus Q whole square, which is equal to 81 by 4. So P plus Q is either equal to 9 by 2 or it is equal to minus 9 by 2. We are required to calculate the maximum value of PQ minus P plus Q. So the maximum value will be 9 by 2 minus of minus 9 by 2, which is equal to 9 by 2 plus 9 by 2, which is equal to 9. So the answer for this question is 9.